State President Luong Cuong affirmed that for 80 years the Union has embodied humanity's shared aspiration for peace, cooperation, and development, grounded in universal values of human rights, national independence, equality, democracy, and social progress. Amid global upheavals and unprecedented challenges, he stressed the need for the international community to uphold multilateralism and the international rules-based system, with the UN playing a central role.
As a nation that endured immense wartime suffering, Vietnam deeply understands the value of peace. Conciliation and compassion, woven into our identity, helped us heal, set aside the past, and look to the future as a reliable partner to all countries. Peace is both the goal and the precondition for a stable, just, democratic, and prosperous future. Upholding the value of peace, transforming strongly for a sustainable future is Vietnam's sincere message on the UN's 80th anniversary.
The state president urged countries to honor peace not only in words but through concrete actions, building trust, fostering dialogue, respecting differences, and promoting friendship. He called for bold transformation to secure sustainable development, stressing that global governance, especially the UN and international financial institutions, must adapt to become fairer, more transparent, and more effective, anchored in digital and green transformation.
In the digital age, transformation in society is rapid and profound, while challenges such as poverty, inequality, unemployment, and crises of trust are rising. Social change must be people-centered, focusing on poverty eradication, decent jobs, fairness, and inclusion. With firm commitment as a trusted partner and responsible member, Vietnam will join all nations in overcoming challenges and driving transformation toward a peaceful, stable, and sustainable world that brings prosperity to all.
On behalf of the state and people of Vietnam, State President Luong Cuong thanked the UN, member states, and partners for their support in the country's development journey, and welcomed world leaders to Hanoi this October for the signing ceremony of the UN Convention Against Cybercrime.